Gusto niyo rin ba maging lifted, rounder, and bigger ang inyong glute muscles? So for today's video, sabayan niyo ako sa ating glute workout, no squats, beginner friendly. Gagamit lang tayo ng resistance band. I'm going to use a medium one. Don't worry kung wala kayong resistance band, pwede niyo itong gawin kahit body weight lang. Let's go. Our first exercise, ang ating glute bridge. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels when you go up. Ang paa about 90-degree angle. Squeeze your glutes, hold for 2 seconds, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Huwag i-rest ang inyong glutes sa floor para hindi mawala ang tension. We're going to do this for 15 repetitions. And as you go up, stretch out your legs. 4, 5, 6, squeeze your glutes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Hold, and we're going to do 10 small pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next natin, ang ating donkey kick. Kick toward the ceiling. 1, hindi nasasayad ang inyong knee sa floor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 10 pulses, small pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. On the other side, another 15 repetitions sa kabilang side. Let's go. 1, squish your glutes at the top. 2, hindi magre-rest ang inyong tuhod sa floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 10 small pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, our fire hydrant. Inhale, exhale. Core tight. Vacuum or higupan ng inyong tiyan paloob. 15, fire hydrant. 1, 2, stretch out your hip band. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, 5, 6, exhale when you bring your knee up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I'm sure nafe-feel nyo na yung burn. Ayan, pag na-feel nyo na yung burn, huwag kayong titigil. That's the time na napupunit yung ating muscle fiber. I-push nyo lang. 1, 2, 3 reps. Let's go. Another 15 repetitions sa kabilang side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Yes, feel the burn. Love the burn, mga me. And for our next exercise, ang ating froggy glute bridge. So pagdikitin nyo lang ang inyong dalawang paa. Ang inyong paa hindi malayo sa inyong katawan or sa inyong hips. Mas malapit, mas maganda para mas tamaan ang ating glute muscles. Again, let's do this for 15 repetitions. Squish your glutes at the top. Hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2, hindi na. Magre-rest ang inyong hips sa floor. 3, 4, exhale when you go up. 5, inhale when you go down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, feel your glutes. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Next natin ang ating single leg bridge. Isa pang technique, mind-muscle connection, or isipin ninyo yung inyong muscle na wino-work. Ating single leg glute bridge. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heel when you go up. 1, squish your glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kunin lahat ng weight from your heels. 8, 9, 10, feel the burn. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Another 15 repetitions sa kabilang side. No pain, no gain. Let's do it, ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, feel your glutes. 5, mind-muscle connection. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Whew. Next natin, lie on your side. I-bend ang isang knee sa ilalim. And then point down your toes. And lift your leg up. 1, 2, 15 repetitions. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Hindi tayo magsuswitch ng side para hindi mawala ang tension. We're going to do 3 exercises on the same side. Next natin ang ating 1, stretch out ang resistance band, clamshell. 2, 3, feel your glutes. 4, mind-muscle connection, isipin ng muscle na wino-work. 5, 6, 7, I know you can feel it, huwag kayong hihinto. 8, 9, love the burn. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch out your resistance band. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. And last exercise for this side. Just lift your leg. 1, 2, you can do it. 3, 4, love the burn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I can feel it. 11, I know you can feel it too. 12, 13, inhale, exhale, 14, and 15. Whew. And then let's switch on the other side. On your side, again, bend your knee. Stretch out ang inyong leg. Point down your toes and lift your leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do it. 8, 9, 10. Again, kung wala kayo resistance band, pwede nyo gawin ng body weight lang. 11, 12. And if you're going to buy resistance band, much better, bilhin nyo yung medium at saka yung heavy. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Next natin ang ating clamshell. Again, stretch out your resistance band. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can do it. 12, 13, 14, and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And for our last exercise, just lift your leg up for 15 repetitions. Let's go. 1, 2, inhale, exhale. 3, I know it's burning. You can do it. Love the burn. 4, 5, 6, 7. Love the burn. Diyan nangyayari ang development. 8, 9, 10. Stretch it out. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. For the last one, for our first set, glute bridge, and then small pulses for 30 reps or after failure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Stretch out your resistance band. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Ulitin nyo lang to ng 3 rounds. Do this 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Coach LV. I'll see you in my next one.